Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, if you will. Today's quite an exciting day as you can see there's a package on the floor, and as you can tell from my title, I'll be doing a Robe's Scream Free unboxing. I don't think there's many unboxing videos from people that have bought his robes, so I said I would do one for him just so other customers can see exactly what they're going to get. I've got my Scream Free Asis mask on the table, as you can see, and my prop Buck 120 knife, the same one used in the movie. And basically a bit of background, I've used Scream robes before for a Scream 1 accurate robe, but this time I thought I'd go for a Scream Free as I already own a Scream 2 Public Enemy Studios robe. I will eventually get a Scream Robe Scream 2 robe, but I wanted to try the Scream Free and sort of complete the set a little bit. So yeah, I'll get straight into it and we'll see exactly what's in the box. So first off, it comes from TNT, who's the courier, and the shipping was really fast. He dispatched it yesterday from Turkey, and it arrived in the UK today. So that's how quick the shipping is, which I don't think you get charged much extra for. I'll try and keep my address hidden, so I didn't know there was going to be a sticker on with my address there, but you probably can't see that anyway. And as you can see, it's well packaged in a TNT bag and then in a cardboard box. So I've got to be careful opening it, just I don't want to cut the robe or anything. That should be deep enough. I haven't seen the new fabric that he's used yet. Obviously my Scream 1 robe was bought quite a while back. He's using a different fabric now, I think, which is, I think, even better. And just from looking at it, it already looks like it's going to be a nice sparkly fabric. He packages so that the hood, my other one was packaged so the hood was at the top, so the foam isn't damaged inside the hood. And he's done that again on this one by the looks of it, and it feels amazing. It's still nice and thick. It's got the hanging tab. It smells really nice as well. Brand new clothing or something. I'll just get the camera and give you guys a closer look. You can see the sparkle really well. So we have the hood and what looks like some tassels. But what I'll do, guys, I'll pause this video now because there's not really much to see from a box, and I'll put the robe on and carry on the video. So bear with.